have one original tool here. This one is D2 with a stonewash, G10 handle, and the clutch lock. Now, we've checked out a few of the original tool. They kind of dropped the original tool here in all kinds of different flavors. So we have this guy to check out, and of course the same good old stuff on the box as well. And then we have this other original tool. This one's going to be aluminum handle and also a clutch lock. So we have a little bit of everything here to go over, right? Because I have the titanium version also. So you guys can tell me here which one is your favorite. And the good news about Kizer doing them in all these different flavors is that you can pick them up at any price point, right? If you're looking for the most affordable one, right, this G10 here is going to get you covered. Exposed liners, 2 standoffs back here, the pocket carry clip, which is reversible, the amazing clutch lock from Kizer, which is their version of the crossbar lock, which is adjustable. Thumb deployment here is good. Reverse flick is also good. Tell you what, I've been actually enjoying carrying the heck out of the premium counterpart. This guy, I just did an unboxing on this one here along with the Quoll in the channel if you haven't checked that out yet. And yeah, this is just a pleasure to carry. This one's a titanium version with recessed liners, kind of the same recipe here, but with S45VN and a matte DLC finish. So you can go all the way to the top there with the titanium, or there's a middle of the road, which is this aluminum version. Also got the exposed liners. Same recipe here. Both of these, or all of these, have a different blade geometry, which is awesome. This one also has a hollow ground. This guy has a hollow ground. And this one looks to have a flat grind. So, I mean, there's just a little bit of everything. This one's going to be in 14C28N with a beautiful satin finish. Again, the amazing action. Of course, you know, the aluminum handle, so it's a little bit of a step up there from the G10. And this one, of course, is going to be the more affordable one, right, with the G10 there. And there's even right now for the month of October, and you're still in time to pick one up if you want to. There's a holiday theme one, right? If you're into that, this one is being given away here in the channel. The winner for this one will be already posted in the community tab. When I posted the video on these knives, all the Kizer holiday knives they sent my way for the month of October, I was going to do a giveaway. So the winner has already been announced. Check out the community tab if you haven't already to check out who the winner is, especially if you got entered. But my point is, I mean, they got you covered there, right? All kinds of flavors, all kinds of price points. The Kizer original, the OG one, no pun intended, that one was actually one of the heavy hitters for Kizer, right, when it came out some time ago. So now they refined the formula a little bit. The ergos on the knife are really nice, especially with the forward choke option. This Warney sheep's foot blade with the hollow ground is sort of my cup of tea all day, every day. I like how they did the sort of worn titanium on it. But now that I see they have an aluminum version, that's absolutely a great pickup as well, no doubt. Also pretty lightweight, to say the least. And if you're looking for the most grippy one and you're trying to save, you know, some money, not break the bank, well, this G10 here got you covered. D2 on that one, 14C and S45VN. So obviously you're stepping up in not only handle material, but also in steel. So that is the original tool in a nutshell, right? All kinds of flavors, all kinds of price points, etc. Dodo right here, right? Karambit, little liner lock there. We got the original 2, and this is the G10 version, and D2, this is the 14C28N version with aluminum. 2 different blade geometries. Got a beautiful drop point on that one, more like a clip point on this one. Then we got the Mini Bay down here, right? So this one's obviously gonna be a small to mini knife. This one's very medium to large. That one's more of a medium size, if you would. And of course, you already know we're gonna get scientific with it here and see what these are capable of. Moving on here to the what do we got? The G10 original tool to be exact. Here we go. Paper, forward choke position. Again, this one is so good on the hand. Bam, boom. Yeah. The D2 is even black coated as well, so for corrosion resistance. That's obviously gonna be really helpful. Then we got the thicker cardboard here. Bam, bada bing, bada boom. And yes, it also makes some quick work of the cardboard. Again, this one has a flat grind. So the aluminum version, this particular one has a hollow ground and also a different steel, 14C28N. So here we go on the paper. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, absolutely plenty sharp out of the box. And then here we go. More challenging cardboard here. Cutting diagonally. I gotta tell you, man. I'm not even exaggerating when I tell you, so far out of these 3, this hollow ground is the sliciest, right? Obviously, depending on what you do with your knife, a hollow ground is not going to be the most robust blade out there. right? Because you're not gonna, you know, split wood with it or anything. But compared to a flat grind, a hollow ground, I mean, it'll surprise you how much licier it can be. Right now, I'm noticing a bit of a difference. I'm not sure if it's the steel itself, D2 versus 14C28N, but I can tell you for sure this hollow absolutely feels licier than the flat grind. So hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.